will spend more than $100 million to turn this into this, a community with more than 400 residential units in some new buildings and the old production floors.
What we're going to do is actually take off the middle part of the roof and add 3 more stories to this building.
Plus retail, breweries, a hotel, office space, and a park.
What we're doing is we're leaving these outer steel supports.
Okay.
And then we're going to keep the front wall in these bays right here.
Keep the facade.
Yes. And then eventually we're going to restore access to the clock tower.
Yes, the clock tower will stay. It is what neighbors said they wanted in 350 surveys PLK did. Mayor Victor Snyder telling me the engagement was, quote, really refreshing. And that former cafeteria will be a new market and food hall.
We understand this is such a critical site to this area, to the city of Norwood, to everybody.
U.S. Playing Cards' flagship bicycle brand is known worldwide. The company built this factory in 1900 and moved to Erlanger in 2009. Cards helped prisoners of war in World War II with maps on the back and ID'd Iraq's most wanted in 2003.
We don't want to tear down history. Right. It wasn't salvageable. Yeah. So when we look at it that way, what can we do to use what's here to at least honor the past?
That's why the wooden bricks are being saved and reused. And Lingenfelter says U.S. Playing Cards has committed to playing a part in the new development, which should start construction next spring or summer. In Norwood, I'm Evan Millward, WCPO 9 News.
Hello people. Today we're going to talk about playing cards. Not just any playing card set. These are U.S. Playing Card Company cards from Cincinnati, Ohio. And this particular set was sold to Condado Plaza. I don't know how to pronounce Condado. It's a casino that is no longer in business, I believe. But I wanted to show you the Ace card. I really like the way a lot of these companies decorate their Ace cards, and of course this is the large print version. I just think that's really cool. And of course this set, because it was used at a casino, once they use it once, they cut the corners just like they did here. They cut one corner to show that this is a used set, so it's no longer usable in poker because it'd be too easy for players to start marking the cards purposely or accidentally, because of course when a card gets used it starts to take on wear, whether it's intentional or not. So that's a deck of cards from the Condado Plaza. A really neat set. I've got a ton of playing cards. My parents love playing cards, and I grew up playing cards. It's not my favorite game in the world, but it is fun. Now here's a second set from the U.S. Playing Card Company, and this set was made specifically to help soldiers identify aircraft. And there's our Ace B-17E. But these cards are really, really cool. And our last set is a very, very old set of cards that goes back to the turn of the century. This belongs to my buddy Aaron, 1907. And these cards belong to his grandfather. Now look at that ace. My goodness, isn't that beautiful? Wow, 1881. Thanks for watching, people. Make it a great day.
Your teammate has been killed. Get the dog tag.